Number 1, define Neolithic era and type your answer in the box here. Number 2, when did the Neolithic era end? And type your answer in the box here. Number 3, define Neolithic revolution and type your answer in the box here. Number 4, when did the Neolithic revolution happen? And type your answer in the box here. Number 5, describe the advantages and disadvantages of the hunter-gatherer lifestyle. Type your advantages under advantages in the box here, and type the disadvantages underneath disadvantages in the box here. Number 6, why did hunter-gatherer bands remain small? Number 7, what happened if they grew too large? And type your answer in the box here. Number 8, what is agriculture? And type your answer in the box here. Number 9, how did women factor into the development of agriculture? And type your answer in the box here. Number 10, what plants were cultivated or raised or grown in different areas? And type your answer here. Number 11, why did Neolithic people begin to study the natural world around them? And type your answer in the box here. Number 12, why did people want to settle down? And type your answer in the box here. And number 13, what 2 things needed to occur in order to form settlements? And type your answer in the box here.